Listen, I'm gonna show you guys these amazing items. Won't he do it? Won't he? Check this out. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, terrific, magnificent day today. If not, do understand and get that your life, your day is going to get better once your perception gets better from the background. As you guys can see, we at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Dina is on the mic like the dope, amazing MC, okay? Now, listen, message today. Stop making excuses, okay? Some of you guys, you saying, oh, I'm too young, I'm too old. You saying it's too hot, too cold. Honey, your life is never going to improve until you improve the quality of your life by improving your thoughts, okay? Book for today, U Square. U Square, okay? It talks about quantum leaps. I want you guys to purchase this book. It's very inexpensive. Remember, when you make investments and by buying books and stuff like that, listening to the audio, that is because you see that you deserve it. Alright? So, Dollar Tree. Honey, I'm like, is Dollar Tree open yet? Hold on, chill. Oh, yeah, they open. Honey, I'm the first one, okay? Check this out. Honey, parking lot is empty, okay? Empty. All right, let's go inside. Now, today, you guys know, if you don't know, Dollar Tree has 50% off on all their Christmas decor, okay? That's candy and everything like that. I'm gonna show you guys the Valentine stuff. Let's go. All right, so a few items that Dollar Tree has that's new is the candle holders. Okay, these are $1.25. Really, really cute, fancy, fancy. Okay, they also have these gnomes over here. Ciao. All right, so Dollar Tree has these little stuffed dogs right here. This is so cute. It says I love you. Really, really cute. They also have 2 candles for $1.25 that could go inside the candle holders. Really cute. They also have the gnomes right here, which are $1.25. I think I showed you guys this already. I'm so excited, you know. And then they also have this decor right here. This is cute with the cupcake that says Ma. They also have the fabric gift bags, 2 pieces for $1.25. They have the decorations, the little cupcakes, $1.25. Then they also have more fabric gift bags, 2 pieces for $1.25 as well. And then down here, child, Dollar Tree is fancy pantsy mancy. Pom pom kit, anyone, $1.25. They also have the LED lights, $1.25. Heart shape, anyone, really, really cute, fancy pantsy mancy. They also have the heart picks, okay? $1.25 that comes in 2 different colors, 2 different designs. They have this pink one, and then they also have the red one, $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is moving their feet to the beat. I'm gonna show you guys all new items from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna go over a few of the, you know, the old ones, okay? Like the deal that Dollar Tree has right now, 50% off on their Christmas. So Dollar Tree has these little bouquet of roses. These are artificial, of course, but honey, when I tell you, great decor, okay? Really, really cute. Happy Valentine's Day. They only come in red to someone special. These are $5, okay? They also have the heart wreaths that comes in 3 different colors. We got the pink, we got the cream. They also have the red. They also have, wait, hold on, child, I didn't see this one. Okay, so this is also a wreath, the love wreath, and it has like branches, okay, tree branches or something going on. They also have Together Forever, child. You better speak that into existence, all right? That comes in red and also in pink. All right. Now, you guys had seen I had purchased this. This is right now on my kitchen table. It says love is a sentimental decor. These are $5. Absolutely love it. They also have the rose strings over here, which are $5 as well. Be Mine picture frames, $3. Really, really cute. They also have Happy Valentine's Day, the little metal trucks, okay, decor. Anyone better? Together Forever. I know that's right. Now, Dollar Tree said, listen, okay, we doing it big, especially for Valentine's Day, okay? They have these socks right here, Sweethearts, the original, $1.25. They have some chocolate over here, $1. No, hold on, child, hold on. Almost got caught up, okay? About to say $1.25, honey, this is $5, okay? Get into it, $5. But these are $1.25. You pick me up, Sweet Ride, keep on trucking. I know that's right. Warheads, $1.25. They also have the chocolatey roses, $1.25. Classroom exchange. Oh, this is so cute for the kids. Okay, Barbie, lollipops, and card kit, 12 pops and cards. They also have Hot Wheels, $1.25. They also have the Coastal Bay, rock candy, strawberry, and grape, $1.25. What about the lip pop? Okay, this is how it's looking, child. This is what it's giving. Okay, $1.25 also. And then they also have the Tiger Pops, Berry Berry, $1.25. And these are all, I guess, like candy exchanges. They have Twizzlers over here. Oh, child, almost forgot this. Espresso beans, honey, for a minute couldn't make out what that was saying. $1.25. They also have the Valentine hearts, $1.25. Okay, so remember what I said, that Dollar Tree right now, they have 50% off on their Christmas decor, so this would be it. Okay, the candy, the stirring spoons, okay, 50% off. I think that's an amazing deal. Warheads, okay, Fruity Pebbles. They also have the candy canes up here. Really, really good. They also have the candy over here. Chocolate flavored covered candy, $1.25. Snowman, anyone? $1.25. And you're not looking to break the bank, right, for Valentine's Day? No. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what you can do, how you can save some money, okay, when it comes to Valentine's decor, candy, presents, gifts, okay? You want to stick around for this. Check this out. Dollar Tree have right here this fabric gift bags, 3 pieces for $1.25. These are smaller than the ones that I showed you guys. They also have the treat bags with ties over here, treat bags with zip seals, $1.25. What about the cups? Okay, I had showed you guys this in a previous video. Oh, child, what about the teddy? Oh, this is so cute. Really cute. $1.25. Honey, getting me so excited. Okay, a year of date nights. Oh, child, I know that's right. They also have these heart-shaped baskets, but what is heart-shaped bowls over here. They also have the heart-shaped plates, $1.25. If you are having a Valentine party, honey, make sure you invite me, but you also want to come to Dollar Tree, okay? They also have some rose clips over here. What about the cups, the fancy wine glasses, okay? Really, really cute. Child, this is the snack dispenser, okay, that comes in different colors, pink and also in red. Child, you name it, Dollar Tree is going to bring it. They also have cutouts, all right, exchange cards. I showed you guys this the other day, and these are really, really cute. Mini bubble tubes, right, like for exchange, like your children is in elementary school, putting a bag together for them for Valentine's Day and their classmates. I think this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree also have the Valentine trees that comes in pink and also in red. What about the little teddies? Okay, 2 pieces for $1.25 to someone special. They also have, oh, child, filled with love, these cups, steamless glasses, $1.25. Glitter putty, anyone? $1.25. You get 8 pieces for $1.25. And then they have all these types of 10 party favors for $1.25. This is a steal deal. Wait, child, wait. Okay, it gets better and better and better. They also have this decor right here. I think this is really, really cute. This comes in pink and also in... Oh, look at this. Cutie. I know that's right. Okay. This comes in pink and also like a purplish color. They also have these boxes right here. Happy Valentine's Day. If you need buckets, 2 pieces, treat buckets, $1.25 as well. They have paper cups. Okay. Child, they got everything. Now, when it comes to decor, you're looking for a Valentine's Day decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it. You make my heart full. Ooh, child, speak to my soul. Open daily kissing booth. I know that's right. Welcome. The little heart decor right here. Oh, look at this. The little tree. And the owls. Really, really cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Filled with love. Happy Valentine's Day. Then they have these decors down here. This says love. This little box. Okay. Let me see. Open daily. Cupid's calf. Love struck. Lunches, join us all day, always fresh. I know that's right. And then they also have some gnomes down here that are $1.25. Honey, they moving and grooving. Honey, they out in these streets, okay? Giving the treats, all right? They also have these Christmas trees, well, these Valentine trees right here. I think these are so cute, especially like on a table, your dining table, kitchen table, any type of table, okay? Really cute, $1.25. So remember again, Dollar Tree has it, right? After Christmas, 50% off clearance, okay? 50% off on clearance. This is the decorative mesh. They have light up LED necklace, which looks like this is wrong, okay? This is the crafter's square, jumbo, coloring books, mesh, ribbons, okay, ornaments, DIY, honey, all of this is 50% off today, okay. Elf on the shelf, 50% off. Candy, tree skirts, 50% off, okay. Christmas trees, 50% off. Ornaments, 50% off. Trays, 50% off, okay. These little tinfoil cans, 50% off. Buckets, 50% off. Christmas decor only, okay? And then also these little bells, 50% off as well. Clearance out. Decorative bowls, okay? So you could get this stuff now. For next year, this is all 50% off. Okay, so if you're looking for some more Valentine decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it. This is the heart stakes, okay, that goes like in a garden or somewhere, right? These are $5, I believe. Wait, hold on. Oh, no, these are $1.25 lawn stakes. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these tumbler cups that comes in 3 different colors. Well, 4 different colors, the green, the blue, the silver, the red. I absolutely love these. I have a gold one at home, although I haven't been using it as much, okay? I just been getting the bottles of water, all right? They also have these meal portions. You get 2 for $1. Wait, hold on, child. Hold on. Yeah, you get 2 for $1.25. They have the McCormick storage containers, 2 for $1.25 as well.
Panel, a corner of the back panel.
Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these champagne glasses, 2 pieces for $1.25. These are fancy, fancy. Dude. They also have the Freeman and Shower warming mask. I had showed you guys this the other day. This is $1.25. Chow! Okay. Dollar Tree they definitely ain't playing, all right? Tag, Midnight, Fine Fragrance, Body Spray, okay, long lasting. They have 2 different kinds, Midnight and Step Out. Step out on who though? Okay, these are $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Let's go. Good morning. All right, so Dollar Tree, they still have some more of the 50% off clearance. I showed you guys over here. These are the placemats right here. All right, they put me in a mind of Pottery Barn, okay? They also have the skirts over here, $1.25. The tablecloths, $1.25, 50% off though, okay? So this is pretty much what they still have. Giant gift bags. Honey, you could always use this next year, all right? All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves. Let me know what was your favorite items. Mine definitely was the Valentine's Day, but I'll take a little deal, still trill for real, okay? 50% off on the Christmas tree items. Woo, child. Now, let me know what did you like most? Okay, and I can tell if you've been watching the whole video, child. Okay, make sure you guys get this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.